Angela a very committed and dedicated mentor. I love trees so that the beauty of the school now at the Doña Josefa E. Marcos High School, the strong, sturdy mahogany and nara that are beautifully lined up in the pathway and back of the school buildings, they are my legacy because I love planting trees as what my eldest sister told me. You keep planting trees in every school that you go. Here at Cagasat High School, all the nara trees that are lined up at the back and at the surrounding of the school, that was the time when I came here and malalaki na ang mga punong kahoy. Not only here, but also inside too, where we have a lot of mahogany and fruit-bearing trees. Thank you, Doña Josefa Marcos High School, for continuously nurturing the trees, the buildings, most especially our learners. The school where I served the longest is at Doña Josefa E. Marcos High School. My journey there for 23 full years is full of challenges that my greatest anchor is God and of course my family. My life was full of hope, especially so that there I had my encounter with God and was transformed when I accepted Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. I became born again. I started to claim the promises of God like my children are the head and not the tail. So with God's grace and support of our then Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, now our very handsome, intelligent, very fatherly, very humble Regional Director, the Ian Veneration of DepEd Region 2, Dr. Benjamin P. Paragas, who personally pushed me to work for my papers for my promotion, because before you cannot be promoted if you do not have 25 teachers. Pero sabi niya, you work for your papers, Sally, and so I became principal 2 in September 15, 2008. Then 2 years later, in November 15, 2010, I became principal 3. Sir, thank you for pushing me. That is why I'm so grateful to you. Sabi ko, ang dami-dami kong utang na loob sa inyo, Sir Ben. Napakabuti mo. You are very fatherly to us. Talagang very humble siya. Kaya, when you are humble, really, God will exalt you. So he became a regional director. Yet, parang ganun pa rin siya kahit regional director. Thank you so much, sir, for gracing my occasion. You are truly a servant leader and a trusted friend as well. January 9, 2012, when I was transferred to Jadim Region High School. It's a barrio school and I can sense the inferiority of students compared in the town proper. With the unity and cooperation of teachers and the community, we put the barrio school in limelight by winning in different academic contests, also in Brigada Escuela, wherein we become a consistent awardee until we became a regional finalist. It's in this school where I started my journey as area chairperson, and many opportunities were also open, like sabi nga ni Ma'am Rachel Esimeo Scholar, na talaga naman napakahirap pero napakasaya, ang daming na i-share. At dahil doon, naging hindi kilala noon ang Jadi Region High School. Ang alam nila is Jadi National High School at Jadi. But when I went there, I said, let us make a difference in this school. And so, I thank them so much. They helped me improve the situation of the school. I will always treasure the warmth, love, care, and respect, not only of those students, teachers, and parents, but also the people and officials of the different feeder barangays. Thank you, Jadi Region High School community. We were also able to School Annex. So panglima na po yun na ipinush ko na gusto kong maging principal because they always say a good leader must produce a great leader. Kailangan mas ma-develop ako, mas mataas sa akin. Just right now, Sir Jovito Cadiz is the LD4 and LD6 coordinator. In July 2017, I was again transferred here at Cagasat High School with the vision to make Cagasat High School again being the mother high school of Cordon. As the LD chairperson, ayaw akong bitawan ng mga kumanta dito sa harapan. Ayaw nila akong paalisin pag-graduating na LD coordinator. But even for that additional workload, it's a great opportunity. My companions enjoyed here for being as LD chairperson. They will ask you, Ma'am Sally, please recommend teachers for training. O di syempre, unahin ko yung aking pamilya sa Cagasat High School. That is why Cagasat, like Ma'am Yoli, Cagasat has produced writers. Cagasat produced ARTOT, regional trainers, division trainers, district trainers, and I'm very proud of them. Also, the teaching and learning was enhanced because of this dedication and opportunities of the teachers. In other schools, I produced 4 in Don Josefa, 1 at Jedi Region High School here at Cagasat High School. I was able to inspire 2 teachers to become also a school head. That is Sir Benji Lagmay of the Ringsing Elementary School as principal. And of course, the teacher in charge of Cordon Central, ano yun, CSCS? Cordon South Central School Annex in the person of Ma'am Filipina Abaya. If you recall, Ma'am Rachel, you helped her to become the teacher in charge of that school. Kaya dalawa din po. And so Ma'am Michael will go to her. Sana, I pray. Yes, thank you so much. And it is in this station that I was also promoted to principal for in June 13, 2019. This is due to the support of a very humble and down-to-earth woman with big heart and a true friend who gave me the opportunity to become a division facilitator and also able to visit the beautiful island of Batanes. Thank you, Ma'am Dr. Rachel Arliana Ramirez Liana. Forever grateful and thankful to you, Ma'am Adi. I call her Ma'am Adi in our convo. So, thank you so much. May God richly bless you more and your family. Truly, you are a rare, precious gem in the DepEd. I'm so blessed talaga. My heart is overwhelmed having these people in my retirement. It is at Cagasat High School that I enjoyed much working because it's an implementing unit school with great teachers and non-teaching personnel. Being a finalist in Pangmadayaw with Isabela every year, we have here master teacher for Ma'am Judith de los Santos. For the non-teaching, we have Ma'am Marigel Sahor Villaruel, we have Ma'am Jose Marie Liwag, we have Ma'am Judith Figuracion. I said again and again, dapat ang leader nakakapag-produce ng mas magaling at mas nakikilala. And so, it is also here at Cagasat High School where I became more strong because as what they have said, I am a breast cancer survivor. Kulang pa yung sinabi ng aking kapatid. 3 major operations ang pinagdaanan ko po. Kaya ang sabi ng aking asawa, superwoman ka. Natabiso ako, na gallbladder stone operation, and the last was my operation sa cancer. Alam po ninyo, I'm so thankful, I'm so blessed having doctors in the family. Sabi mo ng Charlie noon, we almost lost you, Adi, when I was operated on gallstone. Kaya Ma'am Zenny, buti nagpo-opera ka na. No? So, and I thank you, kako-opera mo pa lang, nandito ka na. You know, that's how Ma'am Zenny loves me. No? It is also at Cagasan where I became, here in Cagasan, amidst COVID-19, the school continued to flourish, being a national finalist in Project WAS through Ma'am Grisha Dayan Hoggang, with the full support of teachers, especially the vocal persons, Grade 7, Ma'am Marilu Jacob Ronco, Sir Sajid Nasin Kalang of Grade 8, Ma'am Imenta Remilio, Roque Remilio of the Grade 9, Ma'am Yolanda Ganyo of Grade 10, and before we had Ma'am Merlita Kaingan. And of course, for the senior high school, we had Ma'am Judith de los Santos, at ang kanilang pinakapinuno, of course, ay si Ma'am Rosfidita Pastores. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Nakatikim tayo ng National Award dahil sa inyo. Because of commitment and dedication and cooperation of the different stakeholders like the PTA with former President Ma'am Elizabeth Bermudez and now President Pastor Dan Emilio, the Cagasan High School Alumni Association through President Forrester Mario F. Damance. Of course, we have also a very active association of Cagasan teachers and staff. Our President, Ma'am Jollibee Delfinado, we were known for the Lingap Cagasan, helping the less privileged students, learners, and even communities, especially when there are calamities. We have here also the SSLG officers through the leadership of Miss Princess, and we were able to partner with IMJ's Wellness Education Foundation, the Chief Executive Officer, Madam Marilyn Reeves. Through her, nagkaroon po ng mga napakaraming mga blessings ang Cagasan High School, like free school supplies, feeding program, and the like. And that is, the bridge is of course Sir Joel de la Cruz, who became also as an outstanding teacher in the Legislative District 4. To the barangay officials of Kalimaturod, under the leadership of Barangay Captain Marlon Teodoro. Of course, here I can see our handsome Barangay Captain of Gayong and his officials, the Barangay Captain Honorable Martino Salas Jr. Maraming salamat po, at kasama din ninyo ang inyong mga kasama. At ang Barangay Sagad, we have Barangay Captain Melchor Salum. Nakita ko ba si Kapitan Salum? Alam niya, pag nakikita ko itong mga Kapitan Salum, itong mga mga reading centers natin, na pati ikaw ay nagpapala, how blessed we are. Kasi nandito yung asawa niya, baka ma-outside di kulambu daw siya pag hindi siya tumulong. Thank you so much. We have here also the Barangay Turod Sur in the person of Barangay Captain Vallejo. Even Malapat is far from Cagasan. We were able also to get the support of the barangay officials there under the leadership of my former students at Doña Josefa, Honorable Apolinario Farnacio. We have here the SK Federation and SK chairs of the different barangay supporting Cagasan High School. Of course, thank you so much. Our LGU, our beautiful Mayor Lynn Zuniga, with all the unending requests in her office, na lahat ay pinagbibigyan. Maraming salamat, Mayor. And please extend also my sincerest thanks and gratitude to Sir Laurencio Zuniga, kasi nadala ko yung mga heavy equipment sa Doña Josefa Marcos High School upang sa ganon magkaroon ng pathway. Dalawang mga heavy equipment ang dinala niya school. Tapos pagkatapos noon ay nagpatanim ako ng mga punong kahoy na napakakaganda na ngayon. Salamat sa kanya. Please extend also, Ma'am Lynn. Of course, our Vice Mayor Mayor, sinabi na nila, nagpunta siya sa Thailand. Together with our municipal officials, salamat po for inspiring always Cagasan High School that in every activity of this school, you are always there to support. Allow me to mention them. Si SP Florence Zuniga, si SP Jaime Gandeng, ayan, nandyan po sila, si SP Aison Villador, pero ang tawag ko sa iyo ay ading So, gusto kong tinatawag siya ng ading. Sabi ko, go ka lang ng go ading. Sa susunod, mananalo ka na. O, tignan mo. Sinabi pa ng asawa ko yon, no? So, we have my insan, the Honorable Rosendo Cayaban, my brother in Christ, the Honorable Efren Malupeng. Thank you so much. The former husband of my former, the husband of my former teacher, the Honorable Rene ay galing. Of course, nandiyan ang ating napakabait na ate na siya ang taga-take care. Kahit may mga doctors na kami sa family. Dalawa yung anak niyang doktor, si Doc Rachel at si Doc Charo. Nandun yung anak ng ating kapatid na si Manang Virgie, yung aming bulsa sa pamilya. Kasi hindi kami kasing yaman niya. Malaki yung bulsa niya, negosyante kasi. Yung teacher, konti lang. No? Si Manang Virgie, yung anak niya, si Dr. Johan, nandun sa nag-specialista. Nandito rin ang ating kabarangay, si Honorable Menardo Vallejo, and the spiritual partner of the school, Sir Pastor Nandong, Pastor Rodolfo Nandong, asaan si Mrs. si Pastora. Bakit hindi mo siya kasama? No? So sila po ang mga spiritual partners ng ating eskwelahan, because I always declare and decree that Cagasan High School, the master and ruler of Cagasan High School is none other than but God. So that early in the morning, I always request Noel, magpatugtog ka ng spiritual songs habang papasok ang mga bata. Ang napapakinggan nila ay mga spiritual songs. Yan po. Sa ating napakabait dagiti PTA mo, tinalay nga agdawat kini BN Cup Victor Dig. No, papirmada nga papirma kanya. Nay, Allah kita niyo at di nga isuna mo lang ang ison. Kung kunak, thank you sir for all those support. And of course, for Board Member Clifford Raspado, alam po ninyo, itong Cagasan High School, nung nagkaroon ng annex, ngayon Cordon National High School na, kumunti yung estudyante. Ngayon, nagkaroon ng mga faculty room ang mga teachers. At sabi ko, maging mas maganda yung pagtuturo, pagkomportable ang mga teachers. Kaya lahat ng mga faculty room ng 7, 8, 9, 10 and the senior high school ay fully air conditioned po. Kasi gusto ko na maganda yung kanilang environment kung sila ay nandito sa school. At syempre, nakahingi din kami kay BM Clifford. At eto na. Yung baka nagpa-STEM cells ito kasi batang itsura, sabi niya senior na, pero batang-bata pa rin, no? Kilalang-kilala siya. Alam niyo kung bakit lagi ring nakangiti yan. At palagi niyang sinasabing, pwede. No, kahit mahirap, pwede. Basta kahit best friend, pwede. Araw-araw nag-greet yan sa Facebook, di ba? So, kahit alam ko naman na si Sed, yung administrator mo Kong, greet pa rin kita. Ang tawag ko sa inyo doon ay best friend. Sir, best friend. Sir Kong, best friend po. Every day. Alam nyo, si our engineer, the Honorable Engineer Joseph Salvador Tan, our LD for representative, siya yung nagbukas din sa ating kaisipan. Salamat po sa mga ginagawa nyo sa DepEd. You can just imagine, mga estudyante namin nakakatanggap ng mga premyo libo-libo. Thank you, Kong. Kasi nagpapakontest si Sir na may tayo sa computer room na hindi gumagana. Nako, baka mag-inspect ka, kahiya. So, yun, maayos lahat yung computer na namin, sir, at nakabili ng DORAS din dahil kailangan, sabi nila, magpa-upgrade natin ang computer. Nako, mas mabuting bumili na lang tayo ng bago. Sa aming mga PTA officials, ang babait nila. Kung minsan isang text lang, nag-a-approve po sila. Kaya lahat ng aming computers sa computer room ay functional. Kaya lang po, walang aircon. Susunod na po yung resolution. Don't worry. O, narinig ninyo ha? Pastor Dandy, yung resolution natin, hindi lang yun, sir. Ito kasing win na yan, bigay ni Kong Shinatan. Ito yung takip dyan. Wala pa pong takip ito. Nagbigay ako last year. Sir, win na ako. Asaan na yung kabila dito? Dito sa kabila. Sir, pa-follow up po. Nagsasamantala na po ako. Salamat po. Maraming salamat po. Talaga naman na my heart is full of joy. Ito yung congressman, ang galing lapitan. Nakangiti. Napagkamalan pa ako ni Kong na, napagkamalan mo akong pastor. Doon sa Turong Norte kasi, may okasyon. Ngayon, walang gustong manalangin. Nakita ako, sabi niya, Ma'am, si Kaman lang ng tiagkaradrag. And I prayed. And then, ano yan? Principal o pastor? Sinabi ni ko, hindi. That was our first encounter then, sir. So, yun kaya, I'm so blessed na nakilala ko kayo. Our humble and inspiring Public Schools District Supervisor, Dr. Antonio Salget, who brought, when he was our PSDS, dinadala niya lahat ang mga school heads niya, intay kitangan dyan, aramidan tikagasa, tayo school ta intay tuladon. The organized way of filing, and so we have the SPM, kaya lang, Ma'am Ra, hindi pa nababalidate kasi nagkaroon ng moratorium, sir. Nagkaroon ng moratorium at level 2 kami kasi nga, yung isang parameter doon is enrollment. At dapat ng annexan at adult integrated school, kaya yung enrollment bumaba. Yun po. So, Ma'am Semi, akala ko hindi ka pupunta. Ka-opera nandito, ganyan mo pala ako kamahal. I never expected that. Thank you so much. Eto, ang sabi niya sa akin, my angel. Panahon ni Ma'am Madeline, sali, adam mo, nga may recommend mo, nga agbaling nga, ang principal in charge pa lang ide. Of course, I can see, magkasama kami yan sa maraming training, very workaholic. Syempre, yung mag-recommend kayong hindi ka mapapahiya. Sinabi ko, kinausap ni Ma'am Madeline, eventually, naging PSDS na siya. Oh, congrats sis! Tawag niya sa akin, angel daw niya ako. Yan, thank you for making me as your angel. Well, of course, the different LD4 secondary school heads, kita nyo naman yung mga principal, akala mo kung sino sila sa eskwelahan. Pero pag kumanta pala, ganun. No? Thank you so much! Thank you sa inyong first and final practice. But my heart is full of joy. No, salamat, you're coming over here. Talaga naman, hindi ko mapunan yung galak sa aking puso. Thank you so much. It's not the voice, it's the lyrics that matters. Di ba? O sige na nga, paputol-putol pa. Yan. So, madanaganap ko na ni Mama Angelic, ala, magkapalakpakan to kayo. Hindi na pinagrugi. You know, I love them so much. I love you so much, mga kapamilya ko sa LD4. Now, the school leaders of Cordon, not only in the secondary but in elementary. Nakita ko kayo ang muyumutan. Imayak ko ng kanyada when I gave my invitation. When you were reshuffled, I sacrificed my time. So because magpapautang ako para sa aking graduation, nandun din kayo. Maraming salamat for coming over. Well, of course, my Andro ni Manang Charlie, yung aking mga kapatid, the Andro Irinia clan, the Ferry Petra clan, that's on the side of my husband, my relatives. And eto po, nagtataka si Sir Ben and Ma'am Rachel. Asan din si Ading Larina? Ay, Ma'am Larina. You know, I finally called Ma'am Larina as Ading. Kasi if you recall, Ma'am Rachel, may tatlong principal noon, si Ma'am Ligaya de Jesus, si Ma'am Tabita Sebastian, at saka si Ma'am Anita Tungpalan. Tatlo sila. Tapos sabi nila, ang resemblance ng tatlong principal na ito ay parang si Rachel, parang si Larina, at si Sally. Sabi nila. No? So, naaalala ko yung mga yon. So, alam niyo, hindi pa ako retired. Pwede pong tumayo yung mga retirees ng DepEd. Ang aking best friend na si Helen, nakita ko si Ma'am Helen, pwedeng tumayo kayo. Kaway-kaway naman kayo dyan. Hindi pa ako retired. Isinama na nila ako sa kanilang group chat.
Advance.
Ang promotor, thank you. Ang promotor si Manang Elena. Sabi niya, Sally,ag-create ka man group chat ni retirees. Kanang pa yung mga retired manang. Uwan, sige, isalin tabagi mo. Ang saya pala ng retiree. Alam niyo, bongga ang mga places na pinupunta. 3K Hotel, mga ganon, yung pinupuntahan pagka nag-meet together. Pag may mag-birthday. Ang latest ay si Ma'am Emmy at saka si Mariletti. Doon kami naman sa Marilen. So, thank you. Now, I'm officially a retiree. Okay, so, more time. So, maraming salamat po. Fred, join ka na sa group chat ng retirees. Oh, masaya. No? So, masaya. My colleagues, no? Of course, my dear friends, nagsalita si Flora, marami akong problema na hindi nasasabi kahit sa pamilya, pero nasasabi ko kay Flora. My pains, si Flora. Thank you for being there always, Flora. Si Loretta, napakabait nito because she is also a Christian. Thank you for your time. Yung isa pang kaibigan ko talaga, si Dali, na every year binibigyan niya ng Christmas gift yung aking mga apo, no, all the way from US. Sa aking prayer partner, nasaan na yung aking prayer partner? Si Mem Rosete, the wife of Attorney Maxwell Rosete. She is my prayer partner. No, we call each other prayer partner because in every day of our life, we have our prayer time. And my Christ New Creation Fellowship family, especially Pastor Lani Agad, the Regional Director of CNCF Region 2, sa aking mga kagrupo, to the corridor at to the CNCF leaders, elders, and deacons, maraming salamat for coming over. Salamat po talaga ng napakarami. Sabi nila, behind the success of a man is a woman. Pero ang sabi ko, behind my success is a man, a husband, Philomeno Norin M. Florentin Jr., who supported me and protected me in my career. Imagine, mapanak magi-training ti 1 month, pabulusan na, daladalak na baby ni Fesame, yung nurse na ngayon, daladalak ti crib, katulong, ijay, ilagan, 1 month training SEDP, malagim piw pailaan, ay amuda ma'am, dagito'y retirees, mamayan na abutang di jay. Imagine, sino nga tapay ti teacher iti agkas jay, nga 1 month itubo na ti baby na, agpaspasuso ak garod ta di naman kahit ti battle, no? My husband supported me. You are very lucky now kasi nga technology driven na tayo. Pero noon, mano-mano paggawa ng card, Form 137, 138, promotional report, lahat yun, mano-mano. Dahil sabi ko nga, ang daming ibinibigay na trabaho. Kaya kayo, pag binibigyan kayo ng mga head ninyo ng maraming trabaho, don't complain, accept it. Kasi, hindi kayo magiging principal, kagaya ni Hubito, pag tumanggi kayo. No? So, ganon. Ang aking asawa ang tagagawa ng Form 137, 138, promotional report. Kasi nga, ang pagtagawa ng payroll, ang pagtagawa ng Eh, paano ko magagawa lahat yun kung wala yung kanyang suporta? Maliliit pa yung aking anak. Daddy, thank you so much. Please, samahan mo naman ako sa US. Miki-miki gamin. We want to visit our grandchildren and my daughter there at US. Sabi si Kalaptan kung punana. Join me there. My loving and caring children for keeping me strong and happy. Manang Charlie, hindi, mas mayayaman ang aking mga anak kaysa sa akin. Kasi monthly, kahit may salary na ako, binibigyan pa rin kami ng aking asawa ng mga allowances. Kaya, ganon. Kaya, I'm telling my teachers, love your children. You show them your care. And pag nakatapos ng mga yan, kahit hindi ka humihingi, binibigyan ka. Thank you so much for all of those. Alam niyo, si Alex at saka si Julius, sila yung tumulong sa pagpapaaral ng dalawang anak kong babae. Kasi 6 years ang gap ng number 2 and number 3 child of mine.
Number 3 and 4.
Si Alex and Michelle, si Julius, sila yung, kumbaga, they were the ones in charge of my health. No? And now, I have my beautiful daughter, another beautiful daughter-in-law, si Cherry, kaya lang nasa Manila. J.R. Dave, thank you so much na palagi kang nandyan, especially supporting Santa. Sabi nila, kung maayos ang mga naikamang, iti pamilyang natal na ti pamilya. And I thank you so much for that, together with JP, na nasa US na sila. No? Totoo pala na ang sinasabi nila na ang apo pala ay mas precious na kaysa sa anak. No? I have my 4 grandchildren, dalawa kay Alex and Michelle, si Alexander Jones and Florentino Diamond. They are my joy and treasure. And of course, Isabella and Zavilla, na hindi ko naman naiintindihan yung pagsasalita nila pag nag-video call kami. Kaya translator pa rin ng mga magulang. Nanonosebleed ako sa aking mga apo doon. And my Kagasat family. Di ba nagsasalit tayo ni Miyerkules? This program you have prepared for me, with all the different committees working silently. You made my final stay in the DepEd very colorful. You said, I helped you. But the reality and the truth is, you helped me. I could even say that you molded me to become the most outstanding principal in Isabela. Alam mo, Ma'am Rachel, hindi ako ang naghanda ng papeles ko sa outstanding na pamadayo. Asan si Ma'am Larina na chairman? Asan na si Ma'am Larina na chairman ng pamadayaw? Alam ninyo, kasal noon ni Chayda Manang. At sabi ko sa kanila, hindi pwedeng hindi ako pupunta, umuwi from London yung aking apo para ikasal, tapos hindi ako pupunta, hindi pwede. Pero gusto ko rin sumali ng most outstanding. Sila ang gumawa. Ang aking Kagasat family, thank you so much. Hanggang sa naging regional finalist ako sa Star Award. And the very first time our mayor has launched Ulirang Cordonian. Thank you, Mayor. Naging Ulirang Cordonian ako in the field of education. Thank you so much for those interviews and for all the things that you have to prove that you really be an Ulirang Cordonian. No? Kasi itong mga kasama ko, sila ang nagpupus po. Sila, Sir Ben and Ma'am Rachel, sila. Eh di sila ang gagawa ng papel. Sila nga ang gumawa lahat. Lahat ng mga papel ko, wala po akong inihanda. Ganun ako kamahal ng mga faculty and staff, the non-teaching of Kagasat. Thank you so much. Kung kanya kayo agsangit, kung nada ka, ma'am, mapirgita make-up mo, nagsangit ka, kung nada mo, sige. No, thank you so much. My heartfelt thanks and gratitude to all of you. Lahat kayo na pumunta dito. Ang SPTE Ma'am Elizabeth, you know how we traveled, how we journeyed here at Cagasan. Kasi palagi kong sinasabi sa mga stakeholders, sa inyo ang physical facilities development, sa teachers ang academic performance. At maraming salamat. Tapos, hindi pwede yung nakita ng bisita ngayon ay makikita, yan din ang makikita sa susunod. Dapat may pagbabago. And I always tell my companion, we should always make a difference. Hindi pwede yung steady. We should always level up. Yun yung palagi kong sinasabi sa kanila. At tunay nga na napakabuti nila. Maraming salamat sa inyo. To my lecture sponsors. Oy, nakangiti si best friend. Salamat po sa lechon. Salamat din sa ating SPTA officials sa palechon ninyo mamaya. At syempre, thank you SPTA officials and members. Talagang at sound system ni Barbaro. Their first project para lang daw sa retirement ng Florentine ay maganda ang sounds. Maraming salamat po. Talagang I couldn't express much of my joy. Maraming salamat po to my children, especially Attorney Saint and Jay and Pesame and JP. Lahat sila yung preparation sa food. Thank you so much. Pati rin na rin yung lecture na binigay niyo. Thank you. Sir Joel, Ma'am Jolly, anya kinarami yung kanyak tatang. Stay ka lang, cool ka lang dyan, ma'am. Kunada. Inanamit daw gaya mo nga Reyna, adating kabil-kabil da nga sas, adating kabil-kabil, aray pagbigyak, takay gayat kumagayat, tatattaan ko na makasuot, tibado nga kastoy.
Agdibo na.
Yes, tataak lang ang may kanti-corona nga kastoy. Nagkinurunaan na mo ni DJ Region High School, ini kan na mutikapa, hindi nag-tender sila ng program para sa akin. Pero hanga kastoy tibado kasalama baina. Alaw masidil nga kumakin ni Ma'am Rachel tatay nakita. Man, kita ka lang agtuo. Kunana ni Bebang. Di na turturay muntan. Dahil badi niya, di badi ni Sir Joel nung siya na hindi mo makataduran. So, trabaho ito ni Ma'am Jolly at ni Sir Joel yung itsura kong ito. At syempre yung aking make-up, yung napakatagal na treasurer nung nag-graduate na yung mga anak. Wala na si Kagawad, Barangay Kagawad ng Turod Norte, Marcelo Ligaspi. To Sir Romulus Guzman, you'll have your video presentation by and by. Maraming salamat. Sila Kenneth and Art, salamat. Kayron, salamat sa pagpipicture ninyo. To my family and Kagasat family, for the foods, Ma'am Evelyn. Agsardeng ka na agsang sangit. Dito mo agsardeng agsang sangitan. You know, it was Ma'am Evelyn who prepared the appetizer. To Mr. Samonte for the sandwich. To all the gifts, for all the gifts that you have given me, especially the blessings you have bestowed upon me during our Thanksgiving match. Maraming salamat po. I can never repay your kindness, but forever grateful, especially for sharing your most precious time with me. Imagine si Kong, si Director, si Superintendent, kayo, mga retirees, mga senior citizen, anauna imedyan, di pa nangal daw. With a grateful and thankful heart, I will be officially signing off on February 1, 2024. Ngayon, may 3 araw ko next week. Kaya, you'll savor it for the last time. Sir Pino, Fatherland, thank you for bringing the director here. For Ma'am Larina, for bringing our superintendent here. Com, thank you. Mayor, you are true to your word na sinabi mo, a-attend ka, umattend ka na. Salamat po. I will be forever grateful. Words are not enough to thank you. I cannot repay you. Only my prayers that God will richly bless you more. Maraming salamat po. God bless us all. To God be the glory for my 40 years in service, including the 5 years at Quirino Province.